Hey everybody, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Hey Katie.
Eyes. We gotta be so much better. Guys, we're working on the eye contact after we cheers. One thing, I think it's just good etiquette.
Well, that's why, yes. I think it's also bad luck if you don't.
Right. We obviously know that. Everyone knows that.
Do they?
What was that?
I don't know.
Jason, what are we doing today?
We are reacting to a video, Katie.
Get out!
You were probably wondering why we were here.
You know what? You did tell me to show up, and I showed up.
Yeah, at your own house.
At my own house. I actually, put on real clothes.
You did?
I did.
As opposed to fake clothes?
No, as opposed to mom clothes.
Ah.
You know?
Yeah.
You know.
Momming around the house.
All day every day.
Well, hey.
Which also means looking like this. After
all
7
day
p.m.
long.
All day long.
All day long.
My stilettos.
Yeah, so here we are. We're reacting to videos as we normally do. We're going to a new place today. I don't think I don't think we've done a video from a Malaysian artist. Have we?
No, I don't think so. Nope.
Have not. So it's first time reacting in Malaysia. I mean, we're not in Malaysia. I would love to go to Malaysia.
I'd love that.
Yeah, same. But yeah, so Amir Masdi was tipped off to us and through comments from friends like you out there in the world. And so I have no clue what we're getting ready to step into.
Same.
Here's what I do know though.
Brand new.
This is different. I do know this song because we have reacted to it before. Song put out a couple years ago by a newer artist named Jamie Miller, guy in LA that is connected to a lot of friends that I have in LA and artists that I've worked with, and I really wanted to work with his voice.
Yeah,
he ended up studying with another coach, but I never got to meet him actually. But he did get paired off with another coach out there who's doing great with him, and he's just got a really, really emotional vocal.
Yeah, he's really great.
So good. That's why we reacted to him first off. And so now we've got Amir singing Jamie's hit.
Yeah.
I'm excited about this.
Yeah, me too. I'm very interested to see the difference. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button while we're doing this.
Bam.
I remember the day, even wrote down the day that I fell for you.
Wow.
Now it's crossed down in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to.
Wow, what tone?
And it drives me insane, but
that is beautiful.
I'm hearing your name everywhere I go.
It's so in the pocket.
It's just all in my head.
Woohoo! Come on, boy.
It's just all in my head.
Oh.
Here we go.
Tasteful.
You won't see me break, call you up in 3 days. So send you a bouquet, saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away. One more glass of champagne, did you know?
Wow.
What?
I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know I'm perfect way to let you go. Give me this hello, hope it's worth it.
Oh my gosh.
Just fine how I tried to be great for you. I'm fault by design, but you love to remind me no matter what I do. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days. So send you a bouquet, saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away. One more glass of champagne, and you know.
What?
I'm the
So
first
good.
to say that I'm not perfect.
That is so
You're
good.
the first to say I want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. But now I know a perfect way to let you go. Give my last hello, hope it's worth it. Stay.
Come on.
Now I know a perfect way to let
That was so good.
So
Give my
good.
last hello, hope it's worth it.
Wow.
It's
Wow.
Okay. So much. Okay.
Wow, that deserves Katie as that.
Holy cow! Like a true holy cow.
That's like a
pregnant holy cow.
What was our holy cow? The bigger holy cow, a golden holy cow.
Golden holy cow.
I forgot it for a second.
Yeah,
that is
I need to get these little.
We need a
pull.
golden.
Yeah,
I gotta find a golden holy cow.
Okay, so much incredible vocal texture and dynamic, and
unpack that.
I'm actually very interested to talk to him about his voice, like how he feels after he sings, because there's some pockets where it sounds like his voice is gone, but it works so well for the style and the emotion of the song.
Yeah.
So I'm actually very interested to hear him in another song.
Yeah.
On what he does with his voice. Also, he is completely reckless in the best way with his voice.
The best way.
Like, it's... I'm just going to say this. I think his cover is better than the original.
Wow.
For me personally. Like, I connected so much more with this, and I'm more drawn to those just really gutsy singers that just let the recklessness out in their voice. And, you know, that's why we do what we do, because we're able to enable singers to use every part of their voice and every emotion in their mind and their heart and go and perform that. And then no matter where they are for the performance, we always take care of them vocally. And he blew me away. So I want to see
more
his stuff for sure.
Yeah. You know what? I sit here thinking this is now going to be in my rotation of singers I show to singers I'm working with.
Yes.
Because every time you hear us talk about singing with emotion, watch this.
Yeah.
That was so emotional.
Yep.
Every time you hear us talk about it's singing, but it's not. It's so just in the pocket that, yes, you're talking on a melodic pitch.
Yeah.
That's what he did. Yeah, a couple parts where he goes, the big part.
Right, yeah.
That's singing.
That's
of
singing.
course. But everything else was just so in the pocket. It pulled me in right away.
It did.
It was fantastic.
He had such a rounded
the brokenness
tone.
in his tone.
Oh my
the
gosh.
texture. I sat here just thinking like, oh my gosh, it's like I'm being like scrubbed with sandpaper and then someone's putting hot chocolate all over me. You've done that, right?
I do that every weekend.
But no, I mean seriously, that's what it felt like. There was that texture of the scratch. And let's not sandpaper.
Yeah,
let's go
that sounds miserable.
That does sound painful. Let's go with a better
You're
analogy.
exfoliating.
Yeah, better analogy is like
deep sea salt exfoliating.
Sea salt. Yes, thank you. It was a deep sea salt exfoliation.
Yes.
And then like honey or hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Maybe a mixture of both.
Yes, and then
Right?
the vitamin C oils.
And a little vitamin C and then maybe a little whipped cream on top.
We're going hot chocolate, whipped cream.
It was just
What
so
is
good. It was so
on?
sexy. It was so fantastic. I want more of this.
I'm a fan. And here's the thing.
Huge
Here's
fan.
the thing, you guys. You have to captivate your audience in a matter of seconds.
Seconds.
And that's exactly
what he
did.
From the very beginning. From the very beginning, we were pulled in.
Fantastic.
That was fantastic.
Yeah, that was
Golden
so good.
Holy Cow.
Golden
Fantastic
Holy Cow.
worthy.
I need to get one.
You're going on my playlist.
Yeah,
like
we're fans.
Yeah,
We're
fans for
fans.
sure. There will be more of this guy to come.
Heck yeah.
Thank you for the suggestion out there when it
Cheers
came our way.
to you guys.
Cheers to you.
I'm
Cheers
Katie
to
Talbot.
Amir, and I'm Jason Catron.
And we are...
Katie, you shouldn't ever make it awkward, though. The next time you're at a party, you're going to be like, cheers. Like, people are going to never invite you back to their party.
Did I do that?
Yeah, it was really awkward.
Here's the thing. I'm just in a very weird headspace right now. Because I'm very energized, but I've also had such a long day, so I don't even know who I am right now.
I feel like that's every day for you.
Well, that's why I'm pretty and I have a fun personality.
Exactly. Until next time, we are Vocal Lab Collective. Oh, it's a little ding.
Wow, he was so good.
That was fantastic.